G'day, hope you're doing well. In today's video, I'm going to draw one of my favorite drinks, that is a cup of coffee. Love a cup of coffee in the morning to get me going, and I'm going to show you how to draw that in easy to follow step-by-step instructions, and I'm going to make it a cute kawaii style. I hope you can follow along. Let's draw. I love to drink it out of my little special Bodum type glass cups. So it's an ellipse, and bring a curve around and back up. The more we practice our curves, the better we're going to get with our drawing. Okay, so now I'm going to double thickness this. It's a double thick glass, so I'm just going to put some lines down here to show you that it's double thick. Then I'm just going to put some little other lines out on the outside to give it some decoration. Now, I do like my coffee to be quite warm and a little bit frothy, so I'll put some frothy lines there and then some steam lines coming up. A couple of shorter ones. You don't have to do as many of that as that if you don't want to. I'm just going to put some little decorations of more froth on the inside through there. Then I'm going to put one eye out here, circle, mouth shape with a tongue, and don't forget the circles in the eyes. I'm going to put them looking out this way and colour it in. I'm going to colour in the back of the mouth as well. Great work, guys. I will see you next time. Cheers. Bye for now. See ya.